everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true X77 D80 Z28. Very nice car, guys. This car has actually been in a private collection, a doctor's private collection for 35 years. Car's out of Tennessee, so good solid Tennessee body. It's an older restoration. This car was, the restoration was finished in 1996. So definitely a proven car. It doesn't have a ton of miles on the restoration, but it is an older resto. Very nicely done. Very well maintained. It's finished in Le Mans blue. That is the factory color. It's got the white Z28 striping on the deck lid and the hood. Factory 711 black vinyl interior. Does not have the original engine, but it does have a healthy aluminum headed 33 stroker motor in it. Muncie 4-speed, 373 limited slip rear end. And a good car. Really running and driving wise, nice and tight. Like I say, as you go, you're going to see, there's some touch-up marks. There's some scratches in the paint that I noticed. But clean, straight car. And like I say, very, very well maintained car, and nice and tight, man. When you drive it down the road, one, it's got all the performance you can ask for, and two, it drives out really good. Love the color combo. That blue with that white's pretty. And it is a real Z, guys. A little touch-up mark there. Sorry guys, it looks like the guy sprayed a little wax or something on it. Nice and flat down the sides. I changed the rubber on. I put BF Goodrich radial TAs on it. Those are brand spanking new. It's got that staggered look, 255s in the rear. I just didn't like it. You just had black wall tires on it. It's just not me. There's a couple little scratches I saw in there that have been touched up. Of course, it's got 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds on it. Car's nice and clean underneath. Got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Touch up mark there. Front disc brakes, which is standard. Again, 3D3 stroker motor, does run on pump gas, but healthy, guys. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got a Victor Jr. air gap intake on it, Edelbrock aluminum heads, ceramic headers, power steering. It's got a high flow aluminum water pump on it. Power steering, it's got all new steering box in it. Power front disc brakes. You can see it's got the K&N filter top air cleaner in it. There's bow tie valve covers. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Car's detailed up really nice underneath the hood. It's got the billet pulleys on it. nice thing. Like I say, this car's been done since 96. There's no popping, there's no rust, you know, popping on the car. So this thing is nice and clean. Just a good car. Mirrors are nice. Door handles are nice. I believe this is all original interior. I don't think this interior has ever been changed. It's showing 45,000. I don't know this for sure, but I'd almost bet you that's the right miles. Bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column on it. They've got an aftermarket Lucara billet steering wheel in it. Headliner's nice. It's definitely original headliner. You can tell this dash is all original. 45,751 on your odometer. Factory tack. It's got aftermarket autometer gauges. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system. I think this is 2.5 inch. It has frame ties on it. It is a 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end in it. Look how nice and clean this car is. There's a little chip there. There's no dust there, guys. Car cover comes with it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice and clean underneath. Got that billet rear end cover on it. Great sound. This thing just beats the ground. Nice cam in it. Doors are clean. I believe those are probably original sill plates in it. Seats are really nice. Aftermarket radio in it. It's got some billet pedals in it. It's got stock rubber mats. Go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. Dual mirrors. Great sounding small block, guys. This thing is nasty. And it will rock, guys. Front and rear spoilers. Of course, it's got the cowl hood on it. Parking brake does work. Tack works. LED tail lights, forgot about that. Car rocks, man. Gauges work.
Radio works.
Radio works. Blower motor.
I didn't.
Come on, Jordy. No on the blower motor, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. You can do that by clicking on the little box at the bottom of the video here. White car looks good, man.